The confidence and calm presence these students show today makes it hard to believe that they once struggled to stay engaged in school.
हामीले जति गर्छौं त्यति नै पर्याप्त गर्छौं र जति गुमाउँछौं त्यति जति गर्दैनौ त्यति नै गुमाउँछौं यो कुराले पनि मलाई धेरै इन्स्पायर गर्यो जस्तै कि पढाइ गर्दाखेरि जब गर्दैन हामीहरुले त्यतिखेर
Tzu Chi's Jingsu aphorisms have become part of school life here in Nepal, encouraging students who once struggled. For Kuldeep Yadav, their wisdom helped spark a new passion for learning.
You listen properly, yeah, and then you do properly, and then when you are doing like this, then it will be very helpful for in your life.
उहाँले त्यो आफू पनि ल्याउने गर्दछन् त्यो मुठी निकालेर ल्याउने गर्दछन् चामल अनि अरूलाई पनि प्रेरणा दिने गर्दछन् यो सबै उहाँले चुचीबाट नै सिक्नु भएको छ अनि जसकारण उहाँ राम्रो गर्दै गइराख्नु भएको छ
Jingsu aphorisms have encouraged students to grow in confidence and compassion. The same change is happening across schools in Nepal.
पहिला भन्दा अहिले भनेको धेरै नै सुधार भएको छ र विद्यार्थीहरुको अहिले पढाइ लेखाइको हेर्नुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि तिनीहरुले पहिलाको भन्दा अहिले जस्तै कुनै टिचरले होमवर्क दिनुभयो भन्दाखेरि त्यो होमवर्क दिनदिनै लेखेर आउने चेक गराउने त्यसपछि टिचर प्रति गरिने व्यवहारहरु
The way students carry these teachings into their daily lives has touched their families too, slowly reaching the wider community. ITV reports.